Yung Esplanada was actually an offshoot of my desire na mapigilan ng pagdami ng mga informal settlers sa floodway. What I've noticed kasi is every year when the season comes in na nagda-dry up ang tubig at bumababa and there's actually dry land covered, parang dumadami yung mga bahay. Sabi ko, we have to put a stop to this, otherwise, ang joke ko nga, baka makita yung East Bank at saka West Bank at mawala na yung Manggaan River. So what I did was put up our dike, funded locally, and the dike would at least define yung boundaries ng hanggang saan lang pwede ang bahay, and then put up a jogging path and a 5-meter easement para dun magkaroon ng recreational area ang mga taong nakatira doon and those who would want to use it as an area for activity na mga exercises. So we've already started doing it and maganda naman na naging itsura. So merong Carabao grass, there's a place for the playground, for the seniors exercisers, for the joggers, all 3 kilometers na stretch ng East Bank Road. So the idea really is to prevent the proliferation of the informal settlers. Yung huling bahay na nandun, yun ay nilagyan namin ng mga Japanese bamboos para they cannot move further. At if ever there's gonna come a time na pwede namin silang dalhin somewhere, dito rin sa Cainta, if we will have a big housing project, ang lalapat lang is yung riverbanks. And the census will be the same. Kasi nga, there will be no further additions dun sa mga tao na nakatira sa area. It's an LGU-funded thing. It's an LGU-funded na walang national funds na ginamit dito. Well, if it's the whole stretch of East Bank, I guess it's 3.5 kilometers. And then you cover West Bank as well, so that's 7 kilometers of walking area. Para siyang riverbanks ng Cainta na defined at magagamit ng mga tao. Even for people who don't really live there, they can use it for their exercises and for their rest and recreation. So for now nga, nagkakaroon na ng mga tents sa lugar. People just pitch their tents there, spend the afternoon with their kids playing around, miga sa damo, and soonest I'll be putting up the exercises already para yung mga seniors naman natin would have the opportunity na mag-stretch. Alam niyo naman yung area yan parang very cramped actually, but it's gonna be controlled. If there will be some kiosks in the area, it's gonna be controlled, and the first beneficiary siguro nun will be the people living there as an added livelihood lang. But we will have to control it para maayos ang itsura. Hindi pwedeng basta maglalagay. Well, there's nakabalustre yun May balustre yun na parang yun nasa promenada ng Pasig River, and it's gonna be lighted as well. So, kompleto ng ilaw yun from end to end para maganda siya. Well lit, merong outpost ng police just to secure yung peace and order sa lugar. Wide enough for people to play around and to jog and to walk and to stay. So, lahat ng recycled benches namin will all be geared towards being used sa area yan. Nagpapagawa ako ng madami, nagpa-fabricate ako para yun ang magiging benches ng mga tao na who would use the facility.